So in this realtor.com tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit the home size filter here on the realtor.com mobile application. So once that is done and you have an area that you're looking at, go to the top left and press on the filters tab under the search icon in the bottom left, press on filters. And once you're on the filters page, simply just scroll down a little bit to the bottom until you come across an option right here where it says home size. And right now by default it actually has any, but if you were to go ahead and press on home size right here, you can actually choose a minimum square footage to a maximum square footage. So for example, if you're looking for houses that are, let's just say, in this case, at least 3,000 square feet to no maximum, you can edit the filter here, go to the bottom right, press on see homes, and now the homes that are, you're looking at right here are now going to be refined in the search that are over the square footage that you actually set. So if you were to go to the top bar right here and slide this to the right, the filter is actually selected in regards to the home size right here, 3,000 plus square feet, and there you go. Super simple, super straightforward, but this is how to edit the home size filter here on the realtor.com application. Thanks again for watching, and hope this video helps.